Okay, so I'm here today for no reason. I just want to talk because I'm bored to death. Anyway, anyway, beautiful. Anyway,